Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the primer bulb on a Craftsman snowblower. The first thing you want to do is take the top shroud off. There's one little bolt down here holding this cover on. There's two little bolts right here on the shield for the muffler. Take those two off. And there's two more bolts right here. Take those two off. Then pull off the knobs. And you can get this to come off. Then right here is how you get to it. There's just squeeze the little clip down here on the fuel line. Pull that off the carburetor. And the fuel line fits in this little groove right here. Just pull this out. And now for the primer bulb. Let me adjust this so you can see better. There's two little tabs on the back side. Just squeeze, or first of all, get this bracket off. And these two little tabs, just squeeze these and it will pull out. Just like that. Slide these off. Pull the hose right on out. And there's your old one. Right here is the new primer bulb. There are the part numbers for it. Comes in a sealed package. Sealed up pretty good. I'll just go ahead and rip it off. Got your primer bulb. It don't matter. It'll go either way. So you just fit it through the holes and it snaps in place just like that. Take the new piece of fuel line, place it over it, snap it back into place on the housing right there. Put your other band clamp on. Hook the fuel line onto it. Put that back into place. Make sure your gasket's lined up. And then you can line all the holes back up to where they go. And just put all your bolts back in and there you go. Brand new primer bulb ready to go. And there you have it once you get it all put back together. Perfect.